St. Patrick's Day, everyone. So today I want to show you how to do some stamping and painting with cardboard rolls, paper and some paint. So here I've mixed my blue and my yellow to give me my green colour. So mix that all around. It just shows you only need the primary colours to make nearly any paint. And then we're going to make our stampers. So I'm going to cut this cardboard roll. So this was from a kitchen roll. I'm going to cut it into 3 parts because I want to make 3 different stamps. Now, when you are drawing a shamrock, the shape of a shamrock is actually 3 hearts. So 1, 2, 3, and a leg. So we're going to make a heart stamp with this. To do that, we need to push in the top, squish the bottom. So push the top in, right at the top of your heart, right? Now then hold one end all together, and you can even put a little bit of tape on it if you want to hold it in shape. And this will help hold the shape at your other end. So there we have our heart shape. Now, make sure it's all even. So it's about even. Then we're going to, this is just a plastic lid from an old, I think it was an old takeaway container or something like that. So dip your paint, rub it around quite well so the whole thing is covered. Then get your paper and stamp down. So I'm going to rock this a little bit to make sure all the edges are going. And then more on it. So I'm rocking it from side to side to make sure that it's all going down on it. Yeah. And then a little heart. You could also create maybe little mountains or hills at the bottom. And you could have multicolors, so I'm dipping it in a little bit of blue and yellow just to see what happens. And I'm going to put a multicolored heart up at the top. So rock it from side to side to make sure you're getting all of your hearts. And those little missing pieces, they're part of the character of it, so don't worry about not getting everything. And then you leave it to dry, and you could stick that up in your window for St. Patrick's Day and create loads of different artwork.